Now, in just a few hours from now, there's going to be a president's banquet. This is in the Rashtrapati Bhavan, hosted for the Russian President Vladimir Putin. Now, here's a news break that's coming in that's going to trigger a political showdown in India. Reportedly, there's been no invite extended to Rahul Gandhi, the leader of opposition, or for that matter, the Congress president and the leader of the opposition in the Rajya Sabha, Mallikarjun Kharge. Rahul Gandhi, Kharge have not been invited. Reportedly, however, what's interesting is that Shashi Tharoor of the Congress has been extended an invite for this formal dinner that will be taking place in a few hours from now. Mind you, this comes just about 48 hours after Rahul Gandhi had accused the government of breaking tradition, saying opposition leaders aren't given a chance to meet with any of these foreign dignitaries, saying why is there no meeting between opposition leaders and the Russian president. Now, after that, the MEA had clarified and given instances where there were such meetings that had happened. But in this particular case, where there is a formal dinner, no invite has been extended to Rahul Gandhi, no invite has been extended to Mallikarjun Kharge. Instead, guess what? Who's found their name in the invite list? It's Shashi Tharoor. This, no doubt, is going to spark a huge controversy. It's going to become a big talking point because remember, the only leader who's been invited, Shashi Tharoor, is someone who's been rather critical of the Congress, and there's been endless talk and questions and speculation on whether he's going to switch over and join hands with the BJP. Amid all of that speculation, Rahul Gandhi, Mallikarjun Kharge, who are considered to be the faces of the Congress, not invited. Instead, Shashi Tharoor is. Maushmi Singh is joining us with more details on this. Maushmi, any reaction that's coming from the Congress on this? Can you confirm whether Rahul Gandhi and Mr. Kharge haven't received an invite?
That's right, Akshita. Our sources tell us that Rahul Gandhi and Mallikarjun Kharge, in fact, no top brass of the Congress party, has received an invite for the dinner at the Rashtrapati Bhavan. And this is after we saw how Rahul Gandhi launched a tirade saying that the government was targeting the LOP and telling dignitaries and, in fact, the countries he was visiting that they should not meet the LOP. So clearly, and that had stirred a hornet's nest with the BJP slamming Rahul Gandhi's childish accusations. But what we are told is that we've also learned that Shashi Tharoor has got that invite. So Congress MP Shashi Tharoor has been called. We know that he was heading the delegation to US after post-Operation Sindoor, when multiple delegations, parliamentary delegations, had gone across the globe, and we saw that yesterday. You were talking about the bonhomie between Russia and India. And
explain something to me. You know, is this straying away from tradition? Is this straying away from protocol? Is there a set protocol that the leader of opposition must be invited for these kind of formal dinners with a foreign dignitary?
Generally, the camaraderie or the optics would call it as a matter of courtesy that you extend that invite to the LOP of both houses, though it's not mandatory, in fact. And this is perhaps gives a fresh opportunity to the opposition to say that Prime Minister Narendra Modi's government, in fact, wants to silence the voice of the opposition, doesn't even want to extend the normal courtesies that are extended to opposition leaders, clearly thereby, sharpening the rift between the government and the opposition. We've seen a war of words, Akshita, and with other Congress MPs called, we'll have to see who else has been called. There are a host of list of guests, invitees who have been called at the Rashtrapati Bhavan. Surely the Congress will be making a lot about that.
Okay, so no reaction just yet from the Congress on this, but it's important to highlight that Rahul Gandhi had raised exactly this, Maushmi, a couple of days ago, when he claimed that, opposition leaders aren't given a chance to speak to foreign dignitaries. And I remember right after he made that comment, there was in fact a clarification that had also emerged from the MEA on this.
That's right. There were point-by-point rebuttal of Rahul Gandhi's allegations. In fact, saying that Rahul Gandhi, if he's saying that he has proof for emails, he should give that proof. Secondary is the second point was that it is up to the visiting dignitary if he says or he or she says that They want to meet the leader of the opposition, depends on their schedule and their request. It's not decided by the Indian government. The request is finally put to the Indian government. And also, point by point saying that Rahul Gandhi has been meeting foreign dignitaries, including the former, including the Mauritian Prime Minister and others. And in fact, this is wrong to say that that the government has anything to do with it. And Rahul Gandhi is really belittling the entire democratic process of India by yet again, trying to highlight an issue right when the Russian president is visiting India. It's a wrong timing, and Rahul Gandhi is acting very childish. And then after
Yeah.
that,
This is no doubt going to trigger, a political showdown in the next 24 hours. I'm sure the Congress is yet to react on the fact that Rahul Gandhi and Mallikarjun Kharge haven't received an invite. Thanks very much, Maushmi, for joining us with those details.